In our previous episode of Why Buildings Collapse, we identified the tendency by some contractors and engineers to stray from the original structural plan as a critical factor. In this episode, let's see a practical example as to why buildings collapse. A case study being the collapse of a 20-story building in Lagos State. Following a comprehensive investigation conducted by 3 government agencies, the Nigeria Building and Road Research Institute, NBBRI, the Council for Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, COREN, and the Building Collapse Prevention Guide, BCPG, regarding the collapse of a 20-story building in Lagos State. Several inadequacies were identified. Number 1. Inadequate beam measuring 750 by 225 mm rather than the recommended 900 by 300 mm. Number 2. Inadequately reinforced columns with 10 bars of Y20 mm rather than the required 20 bars of Y20 mm. Number 3. The central column experienced inadequate bearing pressure due to the 2 meters by 2 meters by 0.9 mm foundation column base. Number 4. The structure lacked rigid zones for bracing, and the frame was not designed as an ombre structure. Number 5. Movement joints, crucial for absorbing movement, caused by creeps, contraction, expansion, and differential settlement, were not provided. Specifically, the 12th main beam of the structure failed due to being undersized and under-reinforced in both tension and shear. Tension bars were poorly anchored to the column support, and 8 bars of Y20 mm were used instead of the recommended 14 bars of Y20 mm. In essence, the load-bearing capacity was compromised, indicating potential lapses in conducting proper test results or assumption made regarding load-bearing capacity, foundation design, and specification. Every job has the potential to affect the credibility of your certification. Be mindful in your decision making to protect the integrity of your professional standing.